Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear lovely friends, today I want to talk about my behind side in our village, and I am standing here uh, in my paddy field because today actually weather so very well, and so actually warm and cool, and overall it's today weather very well. So today dear friends, I actually uh, I am going to my computer shop and open my shop, and it's a morning time, and I am trying and I am making video. That's why I have come here in my paddy field and in our paddy field. And dear friends, started one video making for going to market, that time video making on the road, and today I have come here paddy field because actually I am speaking learning actually beginning time. That's why I can't making video for a public place and on the road, a very shyness feel that. That's why today I have come here paddy field, and I alone making video, and some days not practicing video. So today I have trying to making this video. Actually, dear friends, uh, it's my home actually, and this village actually so beautiful and green actually environment, and yesterday yesterday actually whole day actually raining. So that's why all environment trees, like all plants actually green. So it's a natural beautiful and in our village, and all around side all green field. So it's a paddy field, I think. So most beautiful and amazing overall. So dear friends, so today thank you, bye bye, next time see you.